Monday morning, May 18th, 2026. Astro Excel for the week starting Sunday evening, 1800. The pattern on the green line is at a high at the mid 20 area, and it starts to move down, going down below zero on the 21st, then hovering around the zero line till 4 a.m. on Friday the 22nd, where it breaks back up, makes an upward move to the end of the day session there, and then down to the weekend. Key blue line spikes. We have this spike here, came in at 7 a.m. where we had the morning low at 6 a.m. and then the market's been moving up since then. We've got the blue line spike high here at 2200. This evening we don't have another spike until early Wednesday morning right here at 1 a.m. and we're inside again till the 21st, Thursday morning at 8 a.m. A spike high in the afternoon at 1400, 2 p.m. and then on Friday we've got a spike low at 8 a.m. once again, and that's it for the week coming up. Moving to the monthly chart here, I'm comparing the price action so far from the beginning of May to the current day here, the 18th, where we started right here. This is May 1st right here. I've got the session markers turned on so you can see the dates. The pattern is following fairly well. We had green line up, then down. We had green line up, then down. Then we had a move up into here. The green line topped and started down. We continued on to the next day before we made the corrective move. So you can see where sometimes it can get a little bit out of phase, but the general pattern is usually pretty close. We bottomed out in sync here. We had this low on the 9th to early on the 10th. The actual low here was on the 10th. Then we had this basically called an ABC move up on the green line. Here we have an A and a flat B wave, and then a move up to a peak. Then we made this move down, came down here. Then we had the strong bullish push on the green line, and the market corresponded and followed suit. We made this high Friday afternoon, so that's showing the high here on the 18th. So we'll see if we can continue to make a new high here while we still have this bullish pressure up high before it starts to turn down. So we'll see if we can challenge to test this high or make a new high before it falls off, as we have the bullish pressure eroding from that plus 20 area the rest of this week.